from Lapidary Journal. It's back from 1986, which is pretty much when Larimar started coming into the United States in bulk. It had appeared back in the 70s, but that's a whole long story. Today I'm just going to try and stick to a specimen that I bought. I bought it from Dr. Woodruff's estate. I don't know, what is it, a year ago? Maybe two? I think just a year ago. Anyway, this, and I believe the piece that's showing on the magazine, I don't know how to classify it myself. I'm not a professional geologist or mineralist, but I did learn a lot from being at that estate sale. So this I would consider a pyroclastic pectolite pseudomorph of a limb cast, most likely a sort of palm. The pectolite has a little bit of copper in it, which gives it the blue tinge to Larimar. And today all I'm going to do is make this a more beautiful specimen. I'm going to take this end here and probably this end, grind it down, polish it up. I'm going to try and leave the crust. The crust itself is basically carbonized bark. Some say it's pyroclastic and probably volcanic, and some actually hint at it being from the Chuba, I forget the name of the asteroid that came down in the Gulf, and I apologize for that. I'm going to start in the middle. Right. Oh. Yep. Wow. Okay. And I don't think I'm doing ZAM, or I'm just going to leave it at 3,000. Yeah, I don't need to do any ZAM on this. I don't think. Yeah, no. What a polish. Wow. Alright. Yeah. Fantastic. Wow. Look at that. That's my one. What do you think? Yeah. The polish on there.